Watch the TUI 38.
Hey. All right. Detail world. Check engine light completely off, but you see the gas light on, but we getting gas, so a little gas in there. But like I say, we got the van completely fixed. It was misfiring spark plugs. Right now we at the gas station getting gas. It's a beautiful day so far. Right now it's still 30-something degrees. Supposed to crank up till, I don't even know what the high is today. Hold on, let me give a quick glimpse of the phone. Hope my face don't look crazy, y'all, but good morning. Hope all is well. Today the high supposed to be 71 degrees. Yesterday I think the high was just 60 degrees. So y'all know this weather, man, just crazy. But like I said, it's 30-something degrees right now. 40-something. Let me see. Yeah, see, it says actually 36 degrees right now. So it's 36 degrees right now. It's supposed to crank up to 70 degrees. And it's supposed to rain in the next 3 days. Fuck. Excuse my language. Jesus Christ. I'll get back to y'all in a minute. That kind of just upset me. Detail world, what it do? I hope you having a glorious day today. And like always, man, and if you're not having a glorious day, go look in the mirror and tell yourself, I am somebody. But right now, we at the first appointment today out here at TriStar, out here in North Nashville by TSU campus. We doing this Chevy Equinox. Just a basic interior. It's a little dirty in the interior, but we still just gonna give it a basic. Let's get in here and vacuum it real good, get all this typical debris up. We're not gonna go in and do a heavy detail and everything because he don't wanna pay the extra money to get the car back to where it needs to be. But if you see the exterior of the car, wheels are pretty dirty. You know, it's still a little chilly this morning. So we're gonna go work at the interior first, then knock out the interior. They gonna take me too long to get in here. I'm just going here, zip, zap, zap, you know how it go. But you see the sun. Sun is shining today, glorious day. Like I said, it's a clear day today. We got 2 more cars here. Then we got 1 house car. Excuse the train. I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man. Y'all already know. Do what you gotta do so I can do what I gotta do. I'm gonna do what I gotta do, what you gotta do, what you gotta do. Hit that subscribe button today. Today is the day to hit that button, man. And on that note, I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We finally got this Chevy Equinox completely done. Took us about an hour and a half to get it done, but y'all already know we like to do the job very efficient and make sure the customer is very happy with the work. So we make sure that we go through all the steps to make sure the car is properly clean. Even though, like I said, we're not doing a detail, we still make sure the car is up to par to make sure the customer is satisfied, and we can always get repeat customers. But you remember what the car was covered in debris. Literally had typical debris everywhere in the car. Had cigarette ashes all over the floor and things of that nature. So we got all that up, but we're gonna go ahead and park it. We still got 1 car here. It was supposed to be 2, but 1 lady canceled. I don't know why, but y'all already know how things is, man. The schedule always changing, fluctuating and things like that. So that's the only thing about being an entrepreneur. But on that note, I hope you're doing wonderful. Hit that subscribe button. If you haven't hit it yet, hit it right now, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. All right, Detail world, what it do? Y'all already know what to do, man. Right now, you never done this on my channel, but I'm about to go ahead and clean my personal vehicle up. It's a little dirty if y'all see it, man. Definitely got dirt down the side of the wheels, looking good. But I want to pull up, how the van looking great. But it's a beautiful day. I only did that 1 car because I had a few cancellations. Then once I got done, you know, I was done. So waiting around sometimes is sucky, but some people are like, you must don't really want the money, man. The money always gonna be there, man. So there's some personal things I can take care of. Definitely need to clean my other personal vehicle too. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this cracking. And y'all already know, man, if you haven't, I'm gonna tell you to do it now. Subscribe. Peace. All right, Detail world. Well, we finally got the van clean. We didn't clean my personal vehicle. It's starting to warm up out here. I'm gonna come back out here a little bit later to clean the personal vehicle. But you see it right here. The van came out nice and clean. Looks good when it's clean. Literally got all those black marks and stuff out of there. Actually cleaned the interior too. Got all the trash out, rearranged, threw a bunch of stuff away. But I'm about to go in here, let it cool down. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. All right. Detail world. Like I said, I barely put my car on the channel, but this is my personal vehicle. We about to get ready to clean it up, get it nice and looking, wax it up and stuff like that. Pretty dirty because I haven't really had the opportunity to clean it, but if you look at the exterior of the wheels, pretty dirty, heavy brake dust because I drive pretty fast. This is a Hemi. And if you look at the inside, my kids definitely keep my car dirty. So we're gonna get in here and do the typical cleaning, wipe down, vacuum, do a little shampoo and let good distance seats, things like that. But you see it's your typical debris, things of that nature. Gonna clean these doors and all that. But let me go ahead and get it started because it's already came out here with it cooled down. It was pretty hot this morning. I mean, this afternoon. But I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Peace. All right, DJ. Where you see how we got the exterior of the car already nice and clean. You see it got that gleam because before then, them wheels is pretty dirty. But I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all go. So you already know we're gonna catch y'all same time, same channel. And this definitely ain't the Batman show. But like always, continue to be great. We're gonna be great together. Remember, you love thyself because you can't love anybody if you don't love thyself. And like always, man, peace.